Boarding gate 134B. Once again, that's boarding gate 134B. All aboard, please. Fire J331 to kindly proceed to boarding gate number 132 and to await your
exit. Read carefully the passenger briefing card located by your seat. If you do not,
you're reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it.
Walang tahimik dun sa bahay, dito sa siyudad, dun bahay. Ingay.
Doon naman sa atin, dun sa, ano ba yan? Rogelio?
Sa atin.
Walang tigil ang ingay eh.
Grabing ingay dito. Samot ngayon kasi na ang bintahan niya ng basketballan ba? Alas magduwa-duwa niya doon para masatapat sa bahay. Grabe dito. Nainis ako. At ako, pwede pala huwag ka doon. Nakuha kong tawag.
My YouTube channel, this is Zoe. Hi, Auntie Zoe. Say hi to the dog there. She's playing. What's the name of your games? Tom and Friends. I know that. Ano binibili ng dalawa? May corn dog din dito. Ano siguro ng tita ng mga Korean food? Ayaw ng Korean food. Nakain na.
Sa mama ni Ann kasi marami silang karga na pagsiman magbigat ni hindi matukas sa karga magbigat kami hapon.
Ang Cebu paikot ng dagat. Paikot ng dagat ang Cebu. Pero malinis yung ano dito.
Dati nga ba siya galing tama pa daw may airport na nasulog niya. Magbalik na mo grabe sa pizza. Ay, nabago.
Nga ito pa yung ano May kwarto din. Pero malawak to.
Ha?
Malawak. Sayang.
Mga pag-abuhay ka ng maya, huwag ka na pala ng mga kasakit ng gabi sa dugay panahon. Dahil pinapati sa population ng tugo.
Ito pa yung ano, di ba? Buhay pa.
Oo. Wala na rin nabago, sabi ko sa iyo.
Pati ito pa yung mga upuan, no? Bam! Picture mo din. Nasaan na si ano?
Ayaw, maktan pala.
Saan ba yung nakantang yan?
Dito word. The maktan.
Oo, doon tayo sa ano, doon tayo. Wow! Dito na tayo dumaan. Sila sa... May nagpa-picture pa kadali. Parang coffee ano siya, no? Akala ko may ano na kanta. Wow, yummy! Ikaw.
Franz Lucky by Sweet.
Pagay ka nun? Puro ulam na. Mag-pray natin. Wala pa'y kanon. Oo, mas maganda siya, no?
Working guard kaya siya siya man siya ng kamot kaya siya may pagtol kasi da. Kaya mo kayo.
Where is the light? This is the kitchen. Yun. Ano yan, be? Mag-tour ako. Tour ka?
Nagtour si Adrian.
Oh, mama, i-upload ko man to.
Tulog ka, imagine kami imagine sa sila kadlo tulog ka puno na to.
Oh, there's a speaker. Oh, there's a sleeper too. Look. There's a TV
Oh,
speaker.
tapos ang ganda ng bed, dalawa pa. Kanindo to. And the sea, the comfort room. Wow. Oh, may towel. There's a towel. Oh, mayroon pang ano siya, shampoo. To dry skin.
Oh, now this one. This is They're not very going to use it.
Oh, mas maganda to, be. Mas maano.
Hello? Wait, turn it on.
Kapag umaga, pwede ka dito umaga.
Sure na, Judy. Paano na? Ikaw ko na ipamutang ko.
Kansan. Ate, kung mo ko na de. Inuang ko na de, inuang lagi. Kasunod na rin ko, kung mo na isa.
Ay, ang ganda na ito.
Uy!
Matumba. Lagyan siguro ng slipper, shoes. Lagyan.
Zoe, help me. Zoe, help me.
Lagyan ng shoes, Nick. Ilan ako ba?
Matumba.
Matumba man.
Please respect. Be respect property. Pets and others will feel so easily. Turn off the aircon lights when running is something to
Ang lawak pa bin ng parang gagawan doon, no? Tatayo pa ulit ng ano. Parang paalisin ng mga tao dito at gawin na lang ng hotel. No?
Squatter man yan siguro sila, be.
Kaya nga.
Parang paano sila siya.
Oh, pag hindi naman government ano to. Pag hindi siya government property naman ano. Parang feeling ko nga napaalis na yung iba. Kasi ito naman, may nag-iba na dito mga pader. Oo. Parang unti-unti siguro silang pinapaalis na. Ayun, doon sa bakod. May bakod din. Baka binigyan lang yung ultimatum na ano. Gawin na siyang building.
The seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the light.
Built within cabin light to give you a better view of the city gas reading is switched on their individual reading light.
En route to landing station